Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a Nigerian barbecue fish. We're using a catfish for this recipe. These are all the ingredients we need for this recipe. I've listed them there. So we're just going to go ahead to wash our fish. Make sure to wash your fish with a bit of salt and under a running tap to make it very clean. But if you don't have a running tap, you can use a lot of water. So after washing the fish, cut slightly both sides of the fish. The reason for this is just to make the ingredients penetrate very well. So after this process, place a foil paper over a tray and then grease it with a little bit of oil, any oil of your choice. Here I'm using vegetable oil just to make sure the fish does not stick to the foil paper after cooking. So go ahead to blend all your ingredients like tomatoes, pepper, onion and garlic. Now I'm adding cube seasoning and then all-purpose seasoning and a grilling fish spices. A grilled fish spices. So mix everything together just the way I'm doing now, and then rub it all over the fish, in and out. Rub it properly. So you guys, this fish was so delicious yesterday that they were requesting for more, That's so delicious. Everyone was asking me, why have you not been doing this kind of stuff? I don't know what just came into me yesterday. I saw the fish in my fridge and I thought, what should I do with this fish now? And I remembered, wow, in Nigeria I used to eat barbecue a lot. So let me just try and make barbecue today. And I also love to add cucumber to my to my barbecue fish. But I didn't have cucumber at home yesterday, so I just make do with what I had. But if you want to make your own, I would suggest you get cucumber. Very nice to eat with your fish. So at this point, you just have to preheat your oven. Make it ready for the fish. After I just wanted to garnish it a bit, and I add sliced onions, red bell pepper on top of the fish, and then I wrap the fish properly. Wrap. So I wrap up the fish properly and then leave it for 5 minutes. Don't put it in the oven yet, so that if the ingredients can go inside and do the job you ask them to do for you. So now just go. After 5 minutes, I went ahead to put it inside the oven. The oven was already hot. So I let it cook for about 40 to 45 minutes. Then it was ready. So now I've brought out from the oven. Let's see what is inside. Wow, see the way the fish is bringing out smoke. Wow. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share with your friends. Bye bye. See you